This screencast is to help you with the homework that I gave you Tuesday 3/3/15. And the homework assignment was I was going to give you three radian measures, and you were supposed to figure out what the trig functions were for all six trig functions. Remember that if you put in a radian measure, it's the same as putting in a degree measure, and so you're going to get out a ratio. Remember, these two, putting them in is the same thing, and you're going to get out a ratio. And this is the coordinate. So the first thing I did is, since I know that it's negative 2 pi over 3, I just set this up just to remind myself what I'm going to use every time. And then if we look at this unit circle that we saw in the video today, and remember that when it's 3, it's 60 degrees. Anything over 3 is 60 degrees. And since it was negative 2 pi, that means I'm going in a clockwise direction. And I'm going to go 60 degrees twice in a clockwise direction. So if I'm at 360 here, and I go, the first 60, I'm going to be at 300. 360 minus 60 is 300. If I subtract another 60, that's going to put me at 240. So now I know that the negative 2 pi over 3 is the same thing as 240 degrees, which has coordinates cosine negative 1/2, sine negative 3 pi over 2. Okay, so on my table, I just set that up. I wanted to be able to look at that without having, and part of that's because of my stroke, it's hard for me to look back and forth from things, so it's easier for me to just have it up here. I know this is the cosine, and I know this is the sine. So here it's telling me I need to do y over r, so I need to do negative square root of 3 over 2 over 1, which is just negative square root of 3 over 2, because anything divided by 1 is itself. And so I'm going to do one more for you. I'm going to go ahead and do this one for you, the cosecant. This is telling me I have to do 1 over y, which means I'm doing 1 over the square root of 3 over 2. This means I'm really doing 1 over 1 times, the 1 over 1 came from here, and the times came because this is division. I'm going to turn it into multiplication by finding the reciprocal. 2 over square root 3. I need to remember this is negative. And so this is going to give me negative 2 square root 3. I'm not allowed to leave it that way. This is going to give me negative 2 square root 3 over 3, and there's nothing I can do to simplify this. So the answer on my paper is that the cosecant of 240 degrees, or the cosecant of negative 2 pi over 3, is equal to negative 2 times the square root of 3 over 3. And so I hope this video helps you see how I'm using the unit circle to find what degrees it is, what coordinate matches up, and then how I'm using these to set up whatever I need over here for the ratio. If you need any more help, be sure to just post me. Make sure the post is by 6:30 or 6:40 so I have time to respond to you before I turn off my iPad. Good luck, guys.